Thank you for continuing on in your education with another course on peptides. In the Introduction to Peptides course, we covered what a peptide is and why we use them. You were also introduced to categories of peptides. In this course, we will be highlighting a few key peptides that we use from these categories that were discussed, including an overview of the action of the peptide and what products contain them. The peptides covered in this course are by no means the only peptides that we use, but are a good illustration of types of peptides and how they are used in our formulas. First, I'll highlight two peptide ingredients that work as collagen boosters. The first is Syn-T-C. This is a peptide complex with 3 unique peptides designed to boost collagen. The first boosts type 3 collagen, which helps to reduce the depth of wrinkles by increasing elasticity, hydration, and structure in the skin. Another peptide boosts type 1 collagen, the most common type in the skin, to improve structure and elasticity. The third peptide boosts type 4, 7, and 17, which have a significant effect on dermal-epidermal junction to help structure and fight sagging. This image shows the reduction in depth of a wrinkle in the outer eye area after 28 days. You can see smoothing and plumping of the skin overall. Syn-T-C is found in 3 of our most efficient collagen boosting products. Power Serum, our best-selling serum, which has also been made into a hydrofacial booster, combines Syn-T-C with 2 additional structural integrity peptides and 3 wrinkle-relaxing peptides to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Nimni Cream and Nimni Day Cream combine Syn-T-C with our patented collagen-supporting Nimni complex to both stimulate collagen production and feed the skin the amino acids it needs to create collagen. Trilogen is another collagen-boosting peptide that works in multiple ways to help improve structural integrity in the skin. First, it stimulates collagen production of types 1, 3, and 4, which contributes to increased elasticity, skin thickness, and improved structure. You can see in the graph on the left, applying a product using a 1.25% concentration of Trilogen increased collagen 1 production by 128% after 15 days. Trilogen will also inhibit enzymatic destruction of collagen, which helps to maintain current collagen levels. It also controls collagen fibril dimensions, keeping them uniform for better organization and structure in the skin. Trilogen also helps to reduce the negative effects of glycation on the health of skin structure. Glycation causes loss of elasticity and decreased cell turnover. With all of these actions, the study with a 5% Trilogen formula showed an improvement in skin roughness by a reduced wrinkle depth of 28% after 30 days. Clinical levels of Trilogen include anything from 1 to 5% for a formula. You will find Trilogen in our multitasking miracle mask, our skin stress relieving balancing mask, and in both Peel 2 and Extra Strength Peel 2. Yes, we even use collagen boosting peptides in our peels. Next, we'll look at a couple of our Botox-like wrinkle relaxing peptides. The first one is Syn-Ake. This peptide relaxes wrinkles by reducing small muscle contractions. It works at the receptor site to block acetylcholine from getting to its destination. The reason it gets the name Syn-Ake is that it mimics the effects of a peptide found in temple viper venom. Venom from this snake paralyzes the muscles of its prey. Now, this peptide does not completely paralyze muscles, but does reduce frequency of contraction by 82% after 2 hours. The image below shows long-term effects of usage by looking at wrinkle depth. The image on the left shows deeper wrinkles in blue. The blue color is almost completely gone in the second image. The actual measurement after 28 days was a reduction in wrinkle depth by 52%. You will find Synake in our powerful duo, Power Serum and the Ultra Rich Moisturizer Power Lift. These are both our best-selling serum and moisturizer and can be found in our anti-wrinkle collection. Argireline is another wrinkle relaxer that acts in a similar way to Botox. It competes with a receptor site for the protein SNAP25, which is part of the muscle contraction mechanism. This reduces the amount of muscle contraction. The images at the bottom of the screen show two silicone replicas of a subject's skin, both before on the left and after on the right, a 28-day treatment with a cream containing 5% argireline. Again, the dark blue color indicates maximum depth. Bright red color indicates maximum height. There is an obvious reduction in the depth of wrinkle, creating a smoother appearance to the skin. Argireline can be found in Miracle Mask, Peel 2, Extra Strength Peel 2, and one of our newest products, Firmabright 20% Vitamin C Booster. Next, we'll look at a couple of peptides that are found in our sensitive collection. One will help reduce reactivity and strengthen skin, while the other ensures proper hydration in the outer layers. Hydration is very important for healthy barrier function. The first peptide is Neutrazen. This is an innovative biomimetic peptide that calms and soothes irritated skin caused by external factors from the environment, internal factors like hormonal and emotional stress, immune reactions, and also addresses mechanical stress. It will act on the skin to reduce the consequences of substance P release. Too much substance P can cause skin reactions such as eczema and severe itching. It also reduces inflammatory cells called cytokines, decreases swelling and redness by reducing vasodilation, and reduces overall irritation. Finally, it helps to maintain overall health and sensitivity thresholds in the skin, which reduces opportunities for sensitization. Obviously, Neutrazen is a perfect ingredient in our collection for sensitive skin, but I'd like to highlight first that it's included in our 5x Power Peel pads in order to counteract any irritation that the alpha hydroxys and enzymes could produce. And of course, it's also a common ingredient in products in our Anti-Wrinkle Plus Sensitive line. You'll find it in Soothing Serum, where it's combined with an anti-redness peptide and detoxifying botanical stem cells to reduce inflammation and strengthen cells. You'll also find it in Rejuvenating Mask, which includes cooling clays and rich antioxidants. And even in our most gentle pro-only peel, Blueberry Peel. This uses a blend of mandelic and lactic acids for gentle exfoliation. The next is Diffuporine. This is a peptide that will assist in healthy movement of water through the skin. In order for skin to maintain surface hydration and look plump and be protected, water must move from the deeper layers of the stratum corneum and the epidermis. Diffuporine helps to facilitate this movement. As you can see in this study using 2% Diffuporine, participants saw over 130% increase in hydration versus placebo at the 56-day mark. Diffuporine is also a common ingredient in the Anti-Wrinkle Plus Sensitive collection. You'll find it in Rejuvenating Mask, Soothing Serum, and Blueberry Peel, but it's also found in our amazing Hydroactive Cleanse micellar facial wipes, which not only clean the skin, but treat and hydrate as well. We've chosen just a couple more peptides to mention that have very unique and powerful functionality. The first is Granactive Acne. This is a peptide that is unique to our Anti-Wrinkle Plus Clarify collection because it targets and kills P. acne bacteria. Using this bacteria-killing peptide allows a reduction in the amount of salicylic acid needed for effectiveness in a formula. Salicylic and Granactive work synergistically to amplify each other's effectiveness. Salicylic will help clean and open pores to allow the peptide even more efficient action. Because of this, only 0.5% to 1% salicylic is required along with this peptide to kill over 50% of P. acne bacteria. Other solutions commonly use up to 2% salicylic, which can be quite irritating to the skin. You will find this peptide in both our purifying cleanser, which contains 0.5% salicylic, and redefining serum, which contains 1% salicylic. One of our newest unique peptides is Royal Epigen P5. Scientists have recently discovered that the same protein found in the royal jelly that creates queen bees also has a positive impact on your skin, especially when it comes to cellular renewal. This biomimetic peptide is based on the mechanism of royal jelly, which is how it got its name. You can see in both the image and the graph, the research shows comparable cell growth and wound healing when using Royal Epigen P5 to that of human growth factor. With an increase in cellular renewal, you will get a younger, smoother, healthier appearance to the skin. You will find this incredible peptide in our Hydrolock Sleep Mask because it works in tandem with your skin's natural cellular renewal processes at night, while also providing proper barrier function protection. This is also known simply as Hydrolock Mask in our professional packaging and is ideal as a brightening, hydrating, and smoothing treatment mask. We hope this overview has helped you better understand some of the amazing technology in peptides. You should feel ready to dive into deeper, specific product knowledge in our product proficiency courses, and also continue on with other ingredient-specific courses like vitamin C, antioxidants, and NIMNI technology. You will find those here in the Science of Skin.